Today, we are going to be reviewing this Hecere RFID bracelet. It's going to be used as a key fob for this Talaria bike here. And tell me why you got it.
Well, basically I got it because I lost the key already and I don't want to lose any more. So basically you can just program it with the main one and then you can just put this away and hide it. And then if that happens again, just order another one and then you don't have to lose your actual key.
Okay, so that makes sense. So you're going to take this key and you're going to program it onto that. And let's show step by step how to do it.
Okay, so you want to grab your original key.
Okay.
And on here you want to hold it for 5 seconds until you hear a couple beeps.
Okay, so we're going to do that.
Once you hear those 5 beeps, you want to get your new wristband and hold it up to there.
Okay.
It should make a different sound than the actual turn on. Then you want to turn it off, turn it back on to see it's programmed. It will work with either a 1, 2. So you got to turn it on and then your new one should be programmed to the bike.
Amazing, so it worked that easy.
Yep.
We're gonna let you use it for a little while to see if it continues to work, but it seems like it's perfect, right?
Yeah.
Okay, well that's awesome. Thank you for helping us out to review this Hecere RFID bracelet that can be used as a fob key programmed by your e-bike. This is just a quick update. We are here 1 year later after getting the Hecere bracelet that you see there. And Levi, does it still work?
Yes, it does.
So it's worked for a full year. Has it ever had any problems?
Nope.
Would you recommend it to other people?
Yeah, definitely.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
There you have it. I hope you enjoyed our review of the Hecere RFID bracelet, which he has programmed to work with his Talaria key fob. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and share this video. If you want to help support this channel, please use the links in the description or scan the QR code in this video to purchase. And we'll see you next time. Thank you so much for watching.
She's the one to blame, try to break me down, but all she did was spark a legend in the making. Always had the heart.